Colby is making a comic book. He draws 48 pictures for his comic book. There are 6 pictures on each page. How many pages are in Colby's comic book? So what I have is I have a total amount of pictures. That's going to be 48. Each page has 6 pictures on it. So with the 48 pictures, I am splitting 6 pictures onto each page. That is division. So I'm going to do 48 divided by 6. So 48 divided by 6 is going to be 8. So how many pages are in Colby's comic book? 8 pages. And if you're not sure, you could just be like 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 8 times. That'll get you 48 just to make sure. Draw yourself a picture or just do that. Or you already know I'm right because I'm the math teacher, Goat. You could just trust me. But you should. The answer is C.